Hello friends, you are watching part 6 of Sindh High Court section 7E, and here in paragraph 6 the judge has written, on the other hand, case of federation is that it is not a tax per se on immovable property. Now in this paragraph the judge is quoting what the respondents, that is the advocates of the government, FBR, have written, that it's not a tax on immovable property, it's a tax on income, but it is a tax on deemed income, not ordinary income. Ordinary income means the income that you actually received, but deemed income means income that the law considers that you may have earned or you may earn in the future, but it is a tax on deemed income of the property and falls within the competence of federal legislation under entry 47 of the fourth schedule to the constitution. It is their further case that the concept of deemed income has been held to be valid in various cases, including the celebrated case of Elahi Cotton Mills. This is the most quoted and celebrated case, Elahi Cotton Mills, in 1997, decided by the Supreme Court, where income, deemed income on sales or imports, or for that matter on other transaction, had been held valid, that it was deemed income pronounced by the Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan, and therefore the impugned levy cannot be declared as ultra vires as contended on behalf of the petitioner. This is the second side of the arguments given by the advocates of the government, FBR and Attorney General, that this is a income on this is a tax on income, and entry 47 gives full power to the federal government not only to include not only to tax ordinary income, but to tax deemed income also. And this same has been approved in Elahi Cotton and other celebrated cases. You are watching part 6. We are in part 7, and we are going paragraph wise in this judgment to see how the courts reach their decision and what you can learn about this section 7E, and how it's related to the Constitution of Pakistan, to other laws, and what can you make of it if you are a taxpayer or a consultant. Thank you. Take care.